안녕하세요, April.
안녕하세요.
Are you ready for the retest of multiplication?
Yes.
And then, I already checked your assignment and it's correct. So, now, I will ask you again 10 questions. And, hopefully, walay sayop, no? Pero, kung masayop, pwede ra jud ka, musuwat balik 10 times, then retest again until makapasar ka. Ha? So, fighting?
Fighting.
Fighting. Okay. 4 times 4.
16.
8 times 7.
56.
7 times 2.
14.
9 times 3.
27.
8 times 6.
36.
Wrong. So, you have one mistake. 7 times 8.
56.
9 times 9.
81.
6 times 3.
18.
5 times 5.
25.
7 times 6.
42.
9 times 2.
18.
Okay, so you have one mistake. And, okay ra. Then, pasara. Then you will, kuhan na ha, balik na ka sa study room. Ha? Okay, bye April. Study hard ha? Paningkamuti nga, di na ka mahagbong. Okay? Nga sa'yo, Norly. So, retest na ka na ako na. Are you ready? Sige lang, kay kung mahagbong gihapon ka, suwat ng kagbalik. Anahan ka. So, ipasar, Judy ha. Okay. 6 times 3.
18.
7 times 3.
21.
8 times 8.
64.
7 times 2.
14.
9 times 6.
54.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 7.
42.
8 times 3.
24.
9 times 3.
27.
Okay, very good. So, pasar na ka, Day. Okay. Bye, Darlie.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Criselda. So, Criselda, during live, gipangutana ka ni Chair Vivian og multiplication. Wala ka kapasay, di ba? Nya, gipasuwat ka og 30 ka buok multiplication. So, mao na ang 30. Okay. So, karon pangutan-on ti ka og 10 questions sa multiplication. Nya, if dili ka makapasar, mau add ka og 10 pa ka pages ana ha, 10 ka multiplication nakasabot. Okay. So, ready na ka? Okay. 7 times 8. 2 times 4. 3 times 7. 9 times 6. 5 times 8. 4 times 6. 3 times 4. 4 times 9. 6 times 2. 9 times 7. Okay, so wrong ka og usa pero nakapasar ka. Very good, Criselda. So pag-practice gapon sa multiplication ha para ma-perfect na ka og ma-master na nimo. Nakasabot? Okay. Annyeonghaseyo, Christine.
안녕하세요.
So Christine, during live, Teacher Vivian asked you a questions about multiplication but you failed, correct?
Yes.
So you have assignments. What is your assignment?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. How many times?
30.
Okay, 30 times. So karon, I will ask you 10 questions about multiplication, okay? So, let's start. 4 times 5.
20.
6 times 7.
42.
3 times 6.
18.
8 times 9.
72.
7 times 9.
63.
2 times 8.
16.
7 times 5.
35.
4 times 7.
28.
8 times 3.
24.
6 times 8.
48.
Okay, very good, Christine.
Okay, students, unsa may main reason nganong ni apil mo sa channel
Para makakaroon.
Sure mo?
Voucher. O kanang para
Para
matabang sa pamilya.
Katabang respect para sa eskwelahan.
Para kan
On. Dili kay ni apil mo sa channel kay aron makakwarta. Dili ha. Ni apil mo sa channel sa may purpose.
Respect teacher.
Naa sa vision.
To create
future
for underprivileged families and students in Mactan by nurturing well-rounded individuals who excel at academic and character.
Okay, naara na ha. Oh. Una, nindot jud makasag-o mo anak. Always remind your head nga sa man makat-on yun mo dili purpose nga i-appeal mo sa channel aron makakwarta mo para makat-on mo no para makat-on mo mo na isud sa inyong alipatakan ha mauna nga bless gani mo kay ano eskwela ka mo sa formal school eskwela po mo dire
Dubli ng katon.
dubli ang yung katon so na bless kayo mo nga naabot ang Mactan Korean channel kay dako kayo nakatabang sa inyong
Eskwela.
gawas sa financial so nakatun po ang nakatun po ang inyong utok. Unya, kumusta ang eskwela? Okay.
Ako nagpo-score sa kasi kumisa.
Oh.
Ako
Boost your confidence.
Ako ray giilan ni Ma'am Romel. Ako kay nagkit ko sa ipipicture ko kanang job Junlin ako kanang na picture sa mapi ko picture kanang nay mga concert picture kanang nay mga suwat-suwat about sa concert di ko ba nasuwat man.
So, mauna ha. Nga eskwela gyud tagtarong ay para sa future. Kay Bao, mag-abogada si Jasmine, mag-nurse si Kate, mag-maestra si Junlin, wata kay Bao, ma-professional mo.
Mag-doktor sa arts.
So, no, nindot try kayo. Takay Bao, mag-pulis si Nathan. So, adjectives and comparison of adjectives. So, adjectives are used to describe a noun. So, tell us more about color, shape, size, or condition of the nouns. So, for example, the handsome boy is carrying a black box. So, where is the noun? Handsome. Then, another describe of nouns. Unsa man?
Black.
Black describe to color. So, mo na siya nga kuan. For next, another example, if we add er to form the mahimo siyang comparative forms of adjectives. For example, tall. I-add er, so mahimong taller. Next, fast. Faster. Very good. So, next we add est to form the superlative forms of adjective. So, mag-add na sa tag est. So, like, for example, clever. Paunsa naman siya? Cleverst. No. Next, warm. Warmest. No. So, mo na siya gitawag nga superlative
Adjective.
Superlative forms of adjectives. So, we use more for the comparative and most for the superlative of adjectives with more than 2 syllables. So, magamit ta og more for the comparative and most for superlative. For example, sa more for the comparatives, more beautiful, like what?
More interesting.
More interesting. How about superlative?
Most beautiful.
Most beautiful and
Most interesting.
most interesting. So, nakasabot ba?
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Oh, malingkod, dili magbako. Dapat straight up na. So, pwede mo maanad. Nga, mag-anak. So, straight lang ha. So, we will going to still discuss preposition. Oh, ayun mo, grabe. Ano malangkod. So, we will still going to discuss preposition. Pila yung score niyo ato? 1 to, pila to? 1 to 10. Pila yung Myra? 9. Ano ha?
5,
Ano ha?
6,
Ano ha? Oh, diba? So, we're still going to discuss. Antod. Perfect na mo. Ira is almost there. So, let's have here first example. So, muna siya ang mga example sa preposition. So, daghan din siya. So, first, read this one. Basa ha.
At home. In the morning. On Monday. For dinner. Above the
Horizon.
below the surprise.
Surface.
To school. From New York. Around the corner.
Corner man eh. Around the corner. Dila las kilid ba? Next.
Behind the face.
Behind the fence. Fence. Kanang coral. Kanang fence ang tawag ng coral ha. So, this is the common nga mga words. Sa POP na din ito. Place. Diba? Place na? Sure ka? So, mali siya ang 10 example sa preposition of place. Mga lugar daw. Mga sentence nga pwede niyo gamiton if you're referring to a place. Basaha daw.
In, on, at, by, near, between, behind, above, below, beside.
Have you ever encountered the
Good morning,
word?
class.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so we're done with our class. So, let's have our toothbrush. Sige na, you may now start. Pwede mo malingkod. Di ba pwede mo malingkod? Pero di mo maglisod. Sit down. Toothbrush every day, tooth decay away. Alright, ka school ninyo, dili na mo manutbrush, di ba? Largo na mo. Maligo na lang mo, di na mo toothbrush. And, panutbrush mo 3 times a day ha. Or dili mo madot yung ngipon. Hinayon ninyo, ayun yung gabi kuhan kay maguba yung ngipon na. Slow lang, slow down. If man na, pwede na mamugmog. Yeah, clean your toothbrush. Clean your toothbrush, clean your face. Ambe, ay rabi. Kana, kana. Bili mo toothbrush. Kaya ko kayo mong gida nga sudlanan. Hindi ka kadaog. Isay done? Who's done? O, yung mga. Everyone's done? Let me see your teeth. Asa daw? Naligo naman mo. Asa yung mga teeth? Oh, sige, go. You may now go.
Okay, today we will have a 6 education lesson. No ba? No. Our 6 education is only once a month. No. Ay, ang uban no, karon paniga kuan. Kasagaran sa inyo ha, grade 6 naman, so hapit na gyud mo mag-menstruation. So, dapat na mo na mahibaw sa 6 education. Unsa na ang 6 education? Unsa gani ng 6 education? Altia? No, naka-lesson na tayo no. About sa
kanang safety.
Oh, safe.
Safety kanang person ko galingon kung dalaga na ka or menstruate.
Dapat nga mahibaw jud mo ani na agud mo learnings aning 6 education. Right?
Yeah.
Basi na ID ganahan. Kira na ba? May na lang diha ala.
Pero may lucky. Naman this early.
Okay, 6 education is high quality teaching and learning about a broad variety of topics related to sex and sexuality. No? About kuno anang it explores values and beliefs about those topics and helps people gain the skills that are needed to navigate relationship with self-partners, community, and manage one's own sex health. Kaya na amang uban lagi.
Ale, 1 or 2? 1. Who said 1? Who said 2? Why 2? Wala may S. This your friend? Friend is only 1. So is this your friend? Imuha na yung friend?
Choose the correct answer. A, this. B, this. C, those. D, that.
Okay. What are the differences of the 4? If you will say this. Kuya.
That describe only
Okay, that describes only one. If these. Okay, daghan. Plural.
Laptops given by their sponsors. Who gives your laptop, Ate Andrea? Handelman. And how about you, Ate Jasmine? Tragic. Why are you laughing, Ate Nico? Ate, this is yours? Yes. Kudugan ni Ate. You really like arts. Why are you laughing? Uy, kabawas ate. Uy, it is you who draw this one? Ano man ito? Gikabiran ni mo, boy. Asa man to imuhang kuha natin, drawing book. Nani? Ay, katong sketchpad. So, Ate Nicole really loves to draw. Ako nino. Kasi picture. Ay, busy na na. Ora natin. Di ba na pa kay daghang kuan?
Sa makeup. Blush on. Ganun.
Blush on imong gi-use ana.
Yes. Doon ka na sa make. Eyeshadow.
Unsa nati pemdas?
Kalisudan. Ginmat.
Mo di sige katawa si Ate Nicole.
Ano siya sa kuan? Sa sandingan ni ako nagisamo ko general math.
So you are now done, Ate Nicole, with general math.
Nag-grade 12 ron siya.
So ikaw na po. The stress is yours, Ate Andrea. So Ate Queenie said that she will be coming here to do her assignment also. Mga lang mo ha. Okay? Then after, do not forget to clean. Okay? Arrange the chairs. Bye-bye. Stress well.